Hi, everyone! Today, we're diving into the top 10 stock market movies that not only entertain but educate. Whether you're a finance professional or just curious about the market's ups and downs, these films are a must-watch. Let's start with the first movie, Wall Street, launched in 1987 and directed by Oliver Stone. This movie is set in the high-stakes environment of Wall Street in the 1980s and takes us on a journey with Bud Fox, a young and hungry stockbroker who dreams of making it big. But his path to success is fraught with danger, especially when he crosses paths with a ruthless corporate raider, Gordon Gekko. However, it does not just entertain us, but it adds some lessons to the audience, such as the dangers of greed, ethical dilemmas, risk and reward of stock trading, corporate manipulation, and the human cost of financial success. The second financial-related movie is The Big Short, which was released in 2015 and directed by Adam McKay. The movie takes us back to the 2007 to 2008 financial crisis that shook the world economy to its core. It expresses the story of a few savvy investors who saw what no one else could see, which is the impending collapse of the housing market, which led to the credit bubble. Through their eyes, we witnessed the greed, the oversight, and the complex financial instruments that led to one of the biggest financial disasters in history. However, the lesson that The Big Short provides the audience includes the complexity of financial instruments, the flaws in the financial system, the power of contrarian thinking, and the ethical considerations people should have to make responsible in finance. Next is The Margin Call, which debuted in 2011 under the direction of J.C. Shander. The movie takes place over a 24-hour period at the onset of the 2008 financial crisis, centering on a major investment bank on the verge of collapse due to risky mortgage-backed securities. It compellingly captures the critical moral and ethical dilemmas faced by employees at various corporate levels as they navigate the looming financial catastrophe. The lessons that you could learn from this movie include risk management, personal ethics and corporate loyalty, the impact of financial decisions, along with the reality of people who work in a financial career. Let's move to the fourth. We're moving into the movies that show the dark side based on the 1980s stock market scene. American Psycho was directed by Mary Harron in 2000. It is based on the provocative novel by Bret Easton Ellis that transports us into the complex world of Patrick Bateman, who is a wealthy New York City investment banker. But beneath the surface of his polished exterior lies a dark secret, since he has a double life as a serial killer. If you've watched this movie, you will learn the lesson of the dark side of wealth, the public perception that leads to stock prices, corporate indifference, the facade of success, and psychological impact while living a highly materialistic. The next stock market movie is The Wolf of Wall Street, released in 2013. This Martin Scorsese-directed movie offers a vibrant and sometimes scandalous look into the life of Jordan Belfort, who climbs to extraordinary heights of wealth and notoriety by engaging in deceitful stock market schemes and fraud. The movies express the financial world's lavishness and ethical dilemmas, making the audience see through extravagant lifestyles and dishonesty. After watching this movie, you'll learn about Wall Street's excesses, the consequences of fraud, the effects of greed on the financial world, and the moral choices of people who seek wealth. The next recommended movie is Moneyball. It is a movie by Bennett Miller, which was released in 2011. The story is about Billy Beane, who is the general manager of the Oakland Athletics. He is faced with the challenge of building a competitive baseball team on a shoestring budget and adopts a groundbreaking approach. He turns to sabermetrics, which is a method of statistical analysis, to evaluate and assemble a team that can compete with the financial powerhouses of the sport. However, this movie also provides economic lessons for value investing, including innovative thinking, value and cost assets, effective strategic decisions, adaptability and flexibility in the stock market, and a leadership vision for success. Let's go to the seventh, Equity, which was released in 2016. The movie is directed by Mira Menon. The story focuses on women perspective in high-stakes world of investment banking. Anna Gunn plays the main character. She's a woman navigating the treacherous waters of Wall Street while working on a high-profile tech IPO. The outstanding of this movie is that it expresses the female perspective on finance, while other stock-related movies mainly focus on men's perspective. Watching equity can teach you some lessons, including the gender dynamics in finance, ethical dilemmas in banking and corporate politics, how reputation affects stock value, and the complexities of IPOs. The next movie on the stock market movie list is Capital, directed by Costa Gavras and released in 2012. It is a French drama that will take us on a journey into the heart of the global banking industry. You'll watch the story through the eyes of a newly appointed CEO of a European investment bank. It will show the dark side of the banking world, including a story about power, corruption, and the ethical compromises that come with the relentless pursuit of profit. However, the Capital will not just entertain you, it will also teach you lessons, including banking's power dynamic, ethical compromises, global financial impact, financial and moral choices, and financial tactics to make a profit. Now, let's move to the comedy. The ninth movie is Trading Places, directed by John Landis and released in 1983. The story is about a wealthy broker and a street hustler who become a bet of two callous millionaires. It leads to an uproarious exchange of lifestyles. Moreover, this movie builds up to a climactic scene involving a commodities trading scheme that's as ingenious as it is comedic. However, you'll learn about the impact of socioeconomic background, manipulation in financial markets, knowledge is power, ethics role in trading, and commodities trading through Trading Places. The last recommended movie for the stock market is Arbitrage by Nicholas Uretsky. The movie was released in 2012 and takes us on a journey through the high stakes and moral complexities of the financial elite. Arbitrage introduces us to a successful hedge fund magnate who has everything. But beneath his successful image, a big mistake threatens to destroy everything he's built, both professionally and personally. However, what you will learn from this movie is the burden of success, financial deception, the high stakes of hedge fund management, the impact of decision-making, and risk management in the financial market. These are our top 10 movies related to the stock market. Each of these films offers a unique perspective on the financial world, from the comedic to the tragic. They remind us that the stock market is not just about numbers and charts, but about people, decisions, and the consequences that follow. We hope you find these recommendations insightful and that they spark your interest in the complex, thrilling world of finance. If you want to gain more insight into finance or investment, please go to our website at finexbdx.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Also, you can follow us on social media below. Let us know in the comments which movie you're going to watch first or if we missed any of your favorites. See you on the next video.